Today, we're reviewing the 5 best welding jackets in the market that offer ultimate safety and comfort. But before that, we're going to show you the key features of a top-tier welding jacket. The material of your welding jacket is crucial. Selecting a jacket with strong materials ensures long-term safety and durability in the demanding welding environment. Heat and flame resistance are non-negotiable for a welding jacket. You need a jacket that effectively shields you from burns and keeps you safe. The right jacket blocks heat effectively, allowing you to concentrate on your work, not the temperature. Comfort and fit are essential for unrestricted movement and optimal performance. A well-fitting jacket enhances your mobility. Look for jackets that offer adjustable features and a fit that supports movement without restriction. Features like pockets for tools, adjustable cuffs, and fasteners add convenience to your welding jacket. These features can significantly improve your work experience, making the jacket more practical and functional. Consider these factors carefully as we review the best welding jackets, starting from the Black Stallion welding jacket. This isn't just any jacket, it's a blend of functionality and protection. Made from 9 ounces, flame-resistant cotton, it promises safety without compromising on comfort. The Welders collar and leather-reinforced snaps are designed for durability. Plus, with handy pockets for your tools, it's clear why professionals prefer this jacket. Next, we have the Miller WeldX jacket. It steps away from traditional designs by mixing 7 ounces WeldX fabric with flame-resistant cotton. Check out its vented back for breathability and the secure fit offered by the fold-in sleeve snaps. Light, protective, and designed to repel sparks, this jacket is a game-changer for welders seeking both safety and comfort. For those in need of something more robust, the Lincoln Electric Leather welding jacket is the ultimate choice. Combining heavy-duty leather with flame-retardant cotton, it offers superior protection and solves the overheating issue common in full leather jackets. With a flip-up Velcro collar and extra-lined flap, it's as safe as it is practical. The ESAB welding jacket combines split leather protection with the comfort of flame-resistant cotton. With its 3 internal pockets and full-length hook and loop fastening, it's designed for welders who need their gear to keep up with their work. Adjustable cuffs and underarm gussets make it perfect for overhead welding tasks. Last but not least, the Steiner welding jacket. It's all about keeping cool with its weld-cool design. The underarm ventilation and riveted open seam upper back ensure you stay cool under heat. Made from premium cowhide and featuring a stand-up roll-down collar, it's the epitome of durability and comfort in the welding world. There you have it, folks. 5 top-tier welding jackets, each offering a unique blend of protection, comfort, and functionality. Remember, the right jacket not only keeps you safe but also enhances your welding experience. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more professional insights.